An Accordion Articles widget is a user interface component that presents a list of articles or content sections in a collapsible format. Users can click on a heading to expand or collapse the associated content section, providing a more structured and space-efficient way to display information. If you want to use the Pro widgets of Spider Elements, then these two plugins, Spider Elements Free and Pro, must be active. Locate the Accordion Articles widget in the Spider Elements category and drag it to your desired section. The article accordion offers a variety of customization options. You can organize posts into multiple columns for a structured layout. With the Show Post Count option, you have full control over the number of posts displayed. Additionally, you'll find settings like order, order by, title length, and excerpt word length to fine-tune the appearance of your content. If the expanded option is enabled, the tabs will open automatically, providing instant access to the content. However, if it is turned off, the tabs will remain collapsed until manually opened. You can choose icons from the icon library and even customize the icon for the active state. With the icon alignment option, you can easily reposition the icon from right to left. Additionally, icon spacing allows you to adjust the size, making icons appear smaller or larger as needed. Then go to the Style option. There you will see the tab title, icon, content box, post contents, and accordion box options. You can create a gap between tabs using the accordion box option. You can customize the background color and title color of the tab from the tab title option. Border radius adds a smooth round effect, while box shadow enhances the design with beautiful shadows. From the icon option, making it smaller or larger. Additionally, you can change the background color of the icon. With the active option, you can apply these changes in the active state. You can easily change the background color of the box from the content box option. You can change the title color from the post contents option, and you can beautifully customize the description color. If you want, you can set the background color of the item box according to your preference. Additionally, you can adjust the border radius, margin, and padding as needed.